Hello. If you're a man who's 60, 70, or even 80 years old, please listen closely to what I'm about to share. This message is truly important for you. Life should feel good at any age. You deserve to feel strong. You deserve to feel confident. You deserve to have close, intimate moments with your partner, no matter how many birthdays you've had. But for many men, as the years go by, things can start to slow down. Energy can drop. Strength can fade. And those close moments, that special connection you once shared, can feel like they're slipping away. You might think this is just part of getting old. You might believe it's something you have to accept. But what if I told you that wasn't entirely true? What if there was a simple, natural way to help your body feel young again? A powerful secret, hidden in plain sight, that could boost your blood flow, give you more energy, and keep you strong and ready in the bedroom. Even if you're 80? I'm not talking about risky surgeries or expensive, complicated medicines with side effects. I'm talking about something natural, something you can make right in your own kitchen. I'm talking about a special ginger mix. It's a simple, powerful blend that can make a real difference in how you feel, how much energy you have, and how connected you are with your partner. It's a way to reclaim the vitality you might have thought was lost forever. My name is John Miller. I'm a specialist in men's health. For over 30 years, I've had the honor of working with thousands of men, just like you. I've seen their struggles, their frustrations, and their quiet worries about losing their edge. And I've helped them find ways to feel like themselves again. What I'm going to share with you today isn't just theory from a textbook. It's practical wisdom. It's based on what has truly helped countless men in real life, men who face the same worries you might be facing right now. This information is valuable, and it's often overlooked. It's a key piece of the puzzle for staying strong and vital as you age. In this video, I'll tell you exactly what's in this powerful ginger mix. I'll explain simply why it works, and I'll show you how easy it is to make it a part of your daily life. It's time to feel confident, energized, and connected again. Before we dive into the details, if you care about boosting your blood flow, keeping your energy high, and protecting your intimate moments well into your golden years, please do me a quick favor. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now. And don't forget to click the bell icon next to it. That way, you'll never miss another Dr. Back tip designed specifically for men like you. You'll keep getting practical, easy-to-understand advice that can genuinely change your life. And I love hearing from you. After you watch this video, if you've ever tried natural ways to boost your energy or improve your health, please tell me in the comments below. Your stories and questions help me make even better content for everyone. Understanding the core problem, the decline of blood flow with age. Let's start by talking about something super important for every man, especially as you get older: blood flow. Think of your blood like a river, carrying everything good your body needs. It takes oxygen and nutrients to every single part of you: your brain, your heart, your muscles, and yes, your most vital organs. Good blood flow means high energy, clear thinking, and strong performance. It's absolutely key for healthy erections and truly enjoyable intimacy. Without strong, free-flowing blood, your body just can't work its best. But here's what happens as we age. It's a natural process, but we can do something about it. Over time, your blood vessels, those tiny pipes carrying your blood, can become a bit stiffer. They lose some of their flexibility. They might even get a little narrower inside. This can happen because of a few things like years of unhealthy habits, or simply because your body starts making less of something called nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is like the signal that tells your blood vessels to relax and open up, letting blood flow freely. When you have less of it, your blood vessels don't open as easily. What does this mean for you? Well, weaker blood flow can make you feel tired. Your mind might not feel as sharp. And in the bedroom, it can lead to weaker erections, or make them harder to get and keep. Can make intimacy feel less fulfilling. It's a frustration many men face, often in silence. They worry it means their best years are behind them. Many men try to fix this with medicines. And sometimes those medicines are necessary. But they can also come with side effects. They might not be the right long-term answer for everyone. That's why so many men are looking for natural ways to help their bodies work better. Ways that support their health without adding new problems. They want solutions that come from nature, things they can trust. And that's exactly what we're talking about today. We're going to explore a natural solution that has helped men for thousands of years. The power of ginger, a natural marvel. Now let's talk about our star ingredient, ginger. This isn't some rare, expensive herb. Ginger is a common root. You can find it in any grocery store. But don't let its commonness fool you. Ginger is a natural marvel. For thousands of years, people all over the world have used ginger in their food and as medicine. They used it for upset stomachs, for pain, and for general well-being. Modern science is now catching up and understanding just how powerful this root truly is. So, how does ginger help your blood flow? It does it in a few important ways. First, ginger is a strong anti-inflammatory. Think of inflammation as a hidden fire inside your body that can damage your blood vessels and make them stiff. Ginger helps to put out that fire. When your blood vessels are less inflamed, they can relax more easily, and blood can flow through them much better. This is key for good circulation. Second, ginger is full of antioxidants. These are like little bodyguards that protect your cells, including the cells that line your blood vessels from damage. When these cells are healthy, they can do their job better, which includes signaling for good blood flow. While ginger doesn't directly create nitric oxide, it helps create the right environment for your body to produce and use nitric oxide more effectively. It helps your blood vessels stay healthy and responsive. When your blood vessels are healthy and open, blood can reach all the places it needs to go, including your most vital organs, giving you more energy throughout the day and stronger, more reliable performance in the bedroom. It's like clearing out old, slow pipes and making them new again. Beyond blood flow, ginger also has benefits for overall male vitality. It can support healthy testosterone levels and help reduce stress on the body, which both play a role in how energetic and strong you feel. It's a true all-around helper for men's health. I've seen many men benefit from simply adding ginger to their diet. For example, I had a patient, let's call him Thomas, who was in his late 70s. He felt sluggish and constantly tired. He started adding a little ginger tea to his morning routine. Within a few weeks, he told me he felt a noticeable lift in his energy. He was clearer in his mind. It was a simple change, but it made a big difference for him. And that's just the start of what ginger can do, especially when it's combined with other powerful ingredients. The Magic Ginger Mix revealed. Components and why they work. Now, let's talk about the specific mix. This isn't just ginger alone. We're going to combine ginger with a few other natural powerhouses that work together to supercharge its effects. This is the ginger mix that can truly boost your blood flow and keep you strong in the bedroom, even at 80. It's easy to make, and you might already have some of these ingredients in your kitchen. Here are the components of this powerful mix. First, of course, is ginger. We already talked about its amazing benefits for reducing inflammation, protecting your blood vessels, and helping overall blood flow. It's the foundation of our mix. You'll want to use fresh ginger root for the best results. Second, we're adding turmeric. Turmeric is another golden-colored root, like ginger, and it's famous for being a super strong anti-inflammatory. Think of it as ginger's powerful helper. While ginger is fighting inflammation, turmeric steps in to do even more. It helps calm swelling inside your body and protects your heart and blood vessels. When ginger and turmeric work together, they create a much stronger effect than either one alone. I remember a patient, let's call him Frank. He was in his early 70s and complained of general stiffness, not just in his joints, but he felt like his whole body was less flexible. Even his blood flow felt stiff. When he started taking a mix that included both ginger and turmeric, he reported that within a month, he felt more fluid. He even noticed a surprising improvement in his intimate life, which he hadn't even expected when he started. It was the combined power of these two roots that made the difference. Third, a very important ingredient for this mix is black pepper. Now, you might wonder why pepper. Here's the secret. Black pepper contains a compound called piperine. Piperine doesn't just add a little spice. It's a natural booster. It greatly increases how well your body can absorb turmeric. Without black pepper, your body only takes in a small amount of the good stuff from turmeric. With it, you get much more of its benefits. So, A tiny pinch of black pepper makes this mix much more effective. It helps you get the most power out of the ginger and turmeric. And fourth, for taste and extra benefits, we'll add a touch of honey and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Honey isn't just for sweetness. It has its own natural antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. It also makes the mix much easier and more pleasant to drink every day. Lemon juice adds a fresh flavor and is packed with vitamin C, another great antioxidant that supports overall health and blood vessel strength. These are natural additions that make the mix enjoyable and even more beneficial. So, to summarize, our powerful mix includes ginger, turmeric, a pinch of black pepper, and honey with lemon. These ingredients work together to give you a potent natural remedy for better blood flow and vitality. How to prepare and use the ginger mix? Practical steps. Now that you know what's in this amazing ginger mix, let's talk about how to make it and use it. It's very simple and it won't take much time at all. This is something you can easily add to your daily routine. Here's how to prepare your powerful ginger mix. What you'll need: a small piece of fresh ginger root, about 1 inch long, about 2.5 centimeters. Half a teaspoon of ground turmeric powder. If you have fresh turmeric root, use a piece about half an inch long, about 1.25 centimeters. A tiny pinch of black pepper, just a few sprinkles, no more than 1/8 of a teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of honey, adjust to your taste. A squeeze of fresh lemon juice, from about 1/4 of a lemon. 1 cup, about 240 milliliters, of warm water. How to make it? Prepare the ginger. First, peel the skin off the fresh ginger piece. Then, you can either grate it into very small pieces or slice it thinly. The smaller the pieces, the more flavor and benefits you'll get. Mix the ingredients. Put the grated or sliced ginger into a cup. Add the half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Then, add that tiny pinch of black pepper. Add warm water. Pour 1 cup of warm, not boiling, water over the ingredients in the cup. Let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. This allows all the good things from the ginger and turmeric to mix into the water. Strain, optional if you don't like the small pieces of ginger or turmeric in your drink. You can strain the mix through a small sieve into another cup. This will give you a clear liquid. Add honey and lemon. Once the mix is cooled a little, so it's not too hot to melt the honey's benefits. Stir in 1 teaspoon of honey and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Mix it well. And that's it. Your powerful ginger mix is ready. How to use it and how often? I recommend drinking 1 cup of this ginger mix every morning, on an empty stomach if possible. This helps your body absorb all the good ingredients right away. If mornings are difficult, you can drink it any time of day, but consistency is key. Make it a daily habit. You might feel some warmth from the ginger and pepper. This is normal. It means it's working. Start with the recommended amounts. If you're sensitive, you can use slightly less ginger or turmeric at first, then slowly increase. Always listen to your body. For the best results, make this ginger mix a consistent part of your daily routine. Think of it like brushing your teeth or drinking your morning coffee. It's a simple step, but its effects build up over time. Many men start feeling changes in their energy and overall vitality within just a few weeks of consistent use. It's not a magic pill, but a consistent helper for your body. Real-life transformations, patient stories. I've seen firsthand how this simple ginger mix can change lives, even for men in their 80s. These aren't just theories. These are real stories of men who chose to take action and saw incredible results. Let me tell you about Arthur. Arthur was 82 years old when he came to me. He felt like his energy was completely gone. He used to love gardening, but now he barely had the strength to walk around his yard. He felt detached, not just from his hobbies, but from his wife. Intimacy was a distant memory. He truly believed his best days were far behind him. We talked about this ginger mix. He was a little doubtful at first, but he decided to try. He started drinking it every morning. Within 6 weeks, Arthur called me, almost shouting with excitement. He said he was back in his garden. He was walking more briskly. And then, in a quieter, more emotional voice, he told me that he and his wife had shared intimate moments again for the first time in years. His wife even called me later, saying, "He's like a new man." This wasn't magic. It was the ginger mix helping his blood flow, improving his energy, and sparking his vitality again. Then there's Michael. Michael was 75 and felt old before his time. He complained of constant stiffness in his joints, cold hands and feet, and a general lack of enthusiasm for anything. His circulation felt sluggish. He started incorporating this ginger mix into his daily routine, along with some light walking. Slowly but surely he began to notice changes. His hands and feet felt warmer. He felt less stiff overall. But the most surprising thing for Michael was the renewed sense of desire and performance in the bedroom. He realized that the same improved blood flow that warmed his extremities was also reaching other vital areas, bringing a surprising return to his intimate life that he had long given up on. These stories show us something very important. Even at 80, your body has an amazing ability to respond and heal when you give it the right support. You don't have to accept a decline in vitality or intimacy as just a normal part of aging. You can take steps, simple ones, that make a profound difference. These men didn't undergo complicated treatments. They just consistently used a natural, accessible remedy. Beyond the mix, complementary lifestyle tips. While this ginger mix is incredibly powerful, remember it's one part of a bigger picture. For the best results and to truly feel your strongest and most vital, you'll want to combine it with a few other simple, healthy habits. These tips work together with the ginger mix to boost your overall well-being. First, drink enough water. Your body is mostly water, and good hydration is absolutely essential for healthy blood flow. Water helps your blood move freely and carries nutrients where they need to go. Make sure you're drinking water throughout the day. Second, get some gentle movement. You don't need to run a marathon. Even a simple, brisk walk for 20 to 30 minutes each day can do wonders. Walking helps your heart pump blood more efficiently and keeps your blood vessels healthy and flexible. It boosts energy naturally. Third, aim for quality sleep. Sleep is when your body repairs and rebuilds itself. Not getting enough good sleep can hurt your hormones and your energy levels. Try to go to bed and wake up around the same time each day, even on weekends. Create a dark, quiet, cool place for sleeping. Fourth, try to reduce stress. Stress can put a lot of strain on your body, including your heart and blood vessels. Find simple ways to relax each day. This could be deep breathing, listening to calm music, spending time in nature, or connecting with loved ones. And finally, remember to eat a balanced diet. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods. Include plenty of fresh vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. And as we discussed in a previous video, be mindful of those common fruits that might be quietly hurting your blood flow. Choosing foods that support your body is crucial for long-term vitality. Final call to action and empowering message. Now that you have this powerful knowledge, what will you do with it? Information alone isn't enough. It's the action you take that creates real change. I urge you to start making this ginger mix today. Go to your kitchen. Get the ingredients. Start this simple daily habit. It's a small step, but it's the beginning of a big transformation. Remember, the men I told you about, Arthur and Michael, started with just one small step, and it changed everything for them. You have the power to take control of your health and vitality. No matter your age, the power is still in your hands. You are not broken. You are not past your prime. You are simply in a new season of life that asks for a new kind of care, a new focus, and new wisdom. This journey is about more than just a ginger mix. It's about your legacy. It's about the deep intimacy you can continue to share with your loved ones. It's about the confidence that comes from feeling strong and capable. It's about proving to yourself day by day that you still have what it takes to live fully and proudly. You deserve to feel good again, not just once in a while, but consistently. You deserve mornings filled with purpose, afternoons with energy, and nights where you feel close, connected, and fully alive. If this message touched something deep inside you, if you feel a fire stirring that you thought was long gone, then let it grow. Let it push you to be the man you know you still are. Because the truth is simple. Your story isn't over. Not even close. It's just getting started. Take action today.